Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to disable or enable Hemisphere SureFix technology inside of FieldGenius for Android. So what I've done is I've hooked up to my Hemisphere S631 inside of FieldGenius Android, and I'm going to head to the top right corner there where there is the gear and receiver to open up my instrument settings menu. And within my GNSS rover profile here, next to the name of the receiver, I'm going to click the three dots, and then I'm going to select my second option here, Instrument Settings. That's going to open up the aptly named Instrument Settings menu where I can change my position, update rate, or my RTK fix mode. Right now it is disabled, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the switch and enable it. I'm then going to hit Set in the bottom right corner, and you're going to see this handy dandy little menu that says Setting RTK Fix Mode, at which point, when it's complete, I'm going to be back on my GNSS rover profile. If I hit Done, I'm now ready to begin surveying with my SureFix turned on. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use FieldGenius for Android to disable or enable Hemisphere's SureFix technology. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.